you feeling my way? Cause I'm feeling your way. To pass up on the family, mama say it's okay. Oh, them up pay me on surely. Baby, you know it's okay. Nah.
Okay, so hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. NaturallyAds here, NaturallyAds on YouTube. So in today's video, I'm going to be giving you guys an updated tutorial on how I achieve these spring twists. So yeah, I just want to say thank you to everyone who watched the first video, because that video has my most views on my channel and I got so much love and so much support in comments and likes and stuff. So I'm very, very grateful to everyone who watched that and who tried it and told me how it turned out. So I'm happy to help, and I'm happy that you watched it and enjoyed my content. So yeah, this is an updated video. I know that a lot of people were having a hard time finding the hair, so this is a different hair that was sent to me by Beyond Beauty. So I just want to say thank you to Beyond Beauty for being kind enough to send me some of this spring twist hair, because I was looking at the Amazon shop and was wary about whether or not to buy it. So luckily they sent it to me, so I didn't have to pay for it, and I would pay for it in the future because it was really good, and I've had it in one day and I got compliments all day at work, so it's positive. So the colour, this is what the bundle looks like. Comes in this pack. There was 3 of them. It's in 1B33. There's 3 of these bundles. I don't know how much is in it. I didn't count it. It also comes with some clips and some beads. I don't have the clips at the moment, but and some coloured hair beads, if you can see. So it's cute that it comes with that in the packet. Yeah, so and it also comes with a crochet needle, which is very helpful for people who are crocheting it in. So I'm just going to open up the bundle, let you guys see what it looks like. So it's in a net. I don't know if you can see the net, but yeah, it comes like this, and pretty much it. And I'm going to show you one of the hairs, just to let you have a good idea of what the hair is like. So this is what one of the springs look like. This is one I fluffed out already thinking I'll need it, but I did not. So yeah, this is one spring, and it is pretty long stretch, but as you know, it's spring twist, so it springs back up. So I did have to extend it a bit, but it is much longer than last time, which was up here. So this one goes down to here, to just about bra strap length almost, if I stretch it a little bit, which I really like. And hopefully one day I can find a longer hair to do. And yeah, my face, it's like 2 different colours at the moment, because I have a skin condition which affects me in the winter when it's cold and when I'm stressed, so that's why my face is like that. So please ignore it. I don't want any questions about it. It's just a skin condition. There's nothing really I can do about it. I'm not going to let it make me not do any videos. But yeah, so in today's video I'm going to show you how I did this look. So I did do some 3 strand spring twist in it because I was trying to experiment a bit. I did like how it looked, it just took really long, so I just didn't do it much. So there's random ones that are 3 strand twisted. I don't know if I showed it in the clips, but if I did, that's why. But I might do a whole head of 3 strand spring twist and see how that looks, but that's when I have time, because I only had a few hours to do this one. And I did time it this time because last time I didn't know how to answer that question. It took me about 6 hours to do it myself, and my parts are quite small. It gets a little bit out of the middle, but majority of it is really small. For the one hair, I split that 1 strand of spring twist hair into 4 or 5 separate pieces. So that's how much I got out of 1 strand, 4 or 5 twists out of one of the spring twist strands that came in the packet. So one of these I got 4 or 5 depending on how thick it was, and at the end I put some mousse. I'm not sure if I showed that. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to give me a thumbs up if you liked it. I will be coming back and being more consistent with my videos, I promise. I've said it so many times, but I actually promise now. So every Wednesday, or even every other Wednesday, probably every other Wednesday, I will be posting a video. So be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. If you haven't seen my original spring twist video, be sure to watch that one. Share it with your friends. And also, for those asking, I do take clients in London. I am from London. I do hair in London. I'm based in London, in East London to be exact. So if you would like to do spring twist or any type of braid style, braids, twist, bow locks, feeding braids, anything, just contact me at hairbyAds@outlook.com. It'll be here, and my hair Instagram is hairbyAds also. So if you would like to contact me about doing your hair and prices and all that, that is the information. Is also down in the description box. But yeah, anyways, without further ado, I'm gonna let you guys go ahead and watch this video.
His body, baby. His body, baby. Oh, oh, na na. Bum 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 boy. Oh, na na. Oh, na na. Bum 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 boy. Oh, na na. Are you feeling my way? Cause I'm feeling your way. To pass up on the family, mama say it's okay. Oh, them up me on surely. Baby, you know it's okay. Nah. You're a pretty fine girl and I have a pretty fine waist. Nah. You're a really cool girl, I got a really good taste. Ha, she feeling my way. She whisper to her friends, say she's feeling my face. Ha, she's feeling my place. She want to be with me when she's feeling high rate. Back at you come back again. Oh, so for me pay a chichi. She looking very hot in my yellow Lamborghini. You get the way. Hey, baby, carry the go for a bad man. See the way she the roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Baby, carry the go for a bad man. See the way she the roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Nah. Ginger me. How they want to ginger me today. Make you ginger me. All the ladies in the house, they want to ginger me today. So I'm here for the girl then. Mr. DJ, play my song. Yeah, I'm chilling with the girl then. And we getting high all night long. Bulaka. She love the bad thing. She hold a bad man. She want the bad thing. I'm all up on her waist when we dancing. She don't care about nobody when we grinding. Make you ginger me. How they want to ginger me today. Make you ginger me. All the ladies in the house, they want to ginger me. Hey, baby, carry they go for a bad man. See the way she they roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Baby, carry they go for a bad man. See the way she they roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Baby, carry they go for a bad man. See the way she they roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Baby, carry they go for a bad man. See the way she they roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Nah. His body, baby. Oh, oh, na na. Bum 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 boy. Oh, na na. Oh, na na. Bum 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 boy. Oh, na. Are you feeling my way? Cause I'm feeling your way. To pass up on the family, mama say it's okay. Oh, them up me on surely. Baby, you know it's okay. Nah. You're a pretty fine girl and I have a pretty fine waist. Nah. You're a really cool girl, I got a really good taste. Ha, she feeling my way. She whisper to her friends, say she's feeling my face. Ha, she's feeling my place. She want to be with me when she's feeling high rate. Back at you come back again. Oh, so for me pay a chichi. She looking very hot in my yellow Lamborghini. You get the way. Hey, Baby carry the go for a bad man. See the way she dey roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Baby carry the go for a bad man. See the way she dey roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Nah, 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 nah. Ginger me. How they want to ginger me today. Make you ginger me. All the ladies in the house, they want to ginger me today. So I'm here for the girl then. Mr. DJ, play my song. Yeah, I'm chilling with the girl then. And we getting high all night long. Bulaka. She love the bad thing. She hold a bad man. She want the bad thing. I'm all up on her waist when we dancing. She don't care about nobody when we grinding. Make you ginger me. How they want to ginger me today. Make you ginger me. All the ladies in the house, they want to ginger me today. Baby carry they go for a bad man. See the way she dey roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Baby carry they go for a bad man. See the way she dey roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Baby carry they go for a bad man. See the way she dey roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Baby carry they go for a bad man. See the way she dey roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Nah, 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 nah. Body baby, his body baby. Oh, oh na na, bum 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 bum, oi. Oh na na, na 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 na. Oh na na, bum 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 bum, oi. Oh na na, are you feeling my way? Cause I'm feeling your way. So pass up on the family, mama say it's okay. Oh, them up me on surely. Baby, you know it's okay. Nah, nah. You're a pretty fine girl and I have a pretty fine waist. Nah, nah. You're a really cool girl, I got a really good taste. Nah.
Okay, so as you can see, my hair is done. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Be sure to give me a thumbs up if you liked it. Comment down below what you thought or what you think of this hairstyle. Please let me know if you do try this hairstyle and how it turned out. And if you can send me some pictures or tag me in some pictures on Instagram, I would be more than happy to look at those. And yeah, so I'll see you in the next one.
She whisper to her friends, say she's feeling my face. Ha! She's feeling my place. She want to be with me when she's feeling high rate. Back at you, come back again. What's up for me, pal?